What are you doing, Leo?
I'm currently filming where we pack for NOAA 2022. Today we're going through all the boxes of the camp. It's the Hammock Reactor camp of Salon Leobard, and we are checking if the things that we expect to be in a box are in the box, and what else is in a box that we don't expect. For this we have a spreadsheet online on Google Docs.
My name is Karen.
Karen, what are you doing right now?
I am putting a varnish coat on the stage of the Hammock Reactor, which is the signature art project of our camp. And we will take it to nowhere.
You may wonder what the Hammock Reactor is. It is a structure made out of wood that will look something like that. And we can put lots of hammocks from this outer ring here to a center. And in the center we're going to put a stage where people can perform on. And here we're currently painting the stage.